viewers, welcome to Curry Leaf presented by indiantracks.com and sulekha.com. Today we are going to make a special South Indian rice. It's called black gram dal rice. I have the ingredients here: whole black gram dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, Bengal gram dal, asafoetida, sesame seeds, peppercorns, red chilies. I have a few green chilies here which need to be chopped later on. Cashew nuts, ghee, salt, curry leaves, and I have dry coconut, desiccated coconut, and about 2 cups of long grain rice or basmati rice. You can also use raw rice if you like. So first we need to roast some of these ingredients and grind them, make a powder, and while we do that you can cook the rice separately. So the quantity I am going to make here is for 2 cups of rice. So if you want to make for just 1 cup of rice, you can cut down the ingredients by half. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of black gram dal, 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, and about 4 tablespoons of dry coconut. You roast them and then you make a fine powder and keep it aside. Just roast it till it's got light brown in color. See, the color is beginning to change. I've cooked the rice and kept it aside. I'm going to temper some ingredients with ghee. So you add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee here. To this you add some black gram dal, Bengal gram. Now I'm going to add some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, some red chilies, about 2 to 3. Few curry leaves, add some green chilies there. Just added a few chopped, maybe 2 green chilies chopped, and added that there. When the mustard seeds start crackling, you can add some asafoetida powder. I'm adding about a teaspoon. So to this I am going to add the rice. I'm also going to add some salt, season the rice, some salt. You can see the black gram dal powder, it's been finely powdered. So I will be mixing this powder to the rice. Add ghee, add black gram dal powder. So mix it a little at a time. The black gram dal rice is ready. It has a very strong flavor of pepper, nice peppery taste. So if you like pepper, you'll definitely enjoy this particular rice. You can add a little bit of ghee while you garnish it with some cashew nuts. You can have this particular rice with some appalam, papad, or some potato wafers. I have some roasted cashew nuts here. I've roasted these in some ghee. So I'm just going to garnish the rice with some nice roasted cashew nuts. Black gram dal rice is ready to be served.